my name is Kiki, and in this video, you're going to watch me organize my refrigerator. I forgot to record an intro, but anyway, stay tuned. Okay, that was some work. That was definitely a workout. Anyway, as you can see, the refrigerator is empty. I will go ahead and clean it out with bleach water and Dawn. Bleach is my favorite scent. I mean, I don't want to walk around smelling like bleach, but I love when I enter a home and it smells like bleach. Anyway, I will go ahead, clean it out, get it organized. I am also going to do the freezer, but I will not force you guys to watch me do that. I won't torture you. I will just show you everything when it's all complete. Okay? Stay tuned. Oh my gosh, this thing is removable. That just made my job so much easier.
So much easier.
Okay, this drawer was a real struggle trying to get this in, but then I figured it out, and so onward. I don't know if I'm going to include this or not, but I'm getting ready to prepare dinner, and I just wanted to talk to you guys about what it is that I do. This is the first time, so I'm making chicken parmesan per request of my daughter. She does not request much, so whenever she does, I just make it anyway. And FYI, I do not enjoy cooking at all. At all. My second husband is going to do the cooking. What I do enjoy is the feeling that I get from taking care of my family. And so that's where some of the joy of cooking comes in. So I don't enjoy it, but I like how it feels that I am taking care of my family. Anyway, with all that being said, I am seasoning the chicken breast. I use thin cut chicken breast, and I am using garlic on there. And this 21 Salute, I love it. I've never used this on there, but today is the day. So my chicken has already been cleaned and towel blotted. Do you guys clean your chicken? Let me know. I clean my chicken every time I cook it. Now, all you need, this is not a cooking lesson, because remember, I don't enjoy cooking, but I just figured since I was doing it anyway and everything is all set up, I may as well. But hold on, let me wash my hands. Okay, the chicken is seasoned. All you need for the remainder of the recipe is an egg. Got that right here. You need breadcrumbs right here. I like Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. And then you need what is this? You need pasta sauce. Pasta sauce. This is just Aldi brand, and this is just marinara sauce. I usually like more like garlic and herb, but my daughter used this for something, I don't remember. So this is what we have. That's what we'll use. And then provolone cheese is what I like. So what I typically do is crack the egg. It's in a bowl. So I beat the egg. I add a little bit of garlic in there and a little bit of that 21 Salute seasoning and whip it or beat it. All right, so that's in there. I take my breadcrumbs and they go in a bowl as well. And then I have a white plate to place the chicken on after I take it out of the breadcrumbs, because I have to take it from the plate to the skillet. While you're preparing all of your ingredients, go ahead and oil your skillet. I'm using extra virgin olive oil from Trader Joe's. So oil your skillet and then let that heat up while you prepare. So what you do is you take this seasoned chicken, you place it in the egg, both sides, in the breadcrumbs, both sides, and then on the plate, right? And keep doing that until you run out of chicken. Okay, so this is what that looks like. Can you see it? No? Okay. Okay. So I'm going to transfer from this plate to this warmed skillet. Remember, there's olive oil in there. Look at that chicken. Doesn't it look delicious? Yes. So I'm going to transfer it from here to here. And then I'm going to show you guys the rest of the steps. So here it is in my Pyrex dish. You can see a little bit of the bread coating came off right there, but it's okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer it with this marinara sauce right here, Aldi brand. And then I'm going to put this provolone cheese on top of that. I take a spatula and kind of spread the marinara sauce around because it is chunky, so it does come out like too much. Take my cheese, layer it on top. So my daughter doesn't like too much cheese and she doesn't like too much sauce, so I have to, I have to cook it to the specifics that she likes it because she has to eat it. I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Hold on. Okay, you guys, so this is what it's looking like, and I am about to put it in the oven. I will show you guys when it's done. Okay, so this is how the chicken parmesan turned out. That's brown rice, and then that focaccia roll. I ended up putting the last bit of this salad blend cheese on there and melted that on there as well. So this is what it turned out to be.